Hey, what's up? It's Sue Fast here at Milosport in Salt Lake City, showing you the new 2014 Adidas Blauvelt boot. Brand new for this year, Adidas' first year in snowboarding. This boot's going to be more for the all-mountain riders, a little bit stiffer, more high-end boot. So this guy, we've got it in the blue, and then also got it in the black. Starting with the outer here, it's got a part EVA, part rubber sole. So this is going to give you nice and lightweight, but lots of good traction and durability. It's also got these little lace locks here, so you can get a zonal lacing from an upper and a lower, so you can kind of dial it in however you feel. Your inside, it's got a nice ankle harness, get lots of good support, holds you in there nice and tight. And then on your liner here, it's got a nice neoprene in the toe, got your power strap at the top. Keeps you nice and secure in there, keep you from moving around. And on the inside, they did a merino wool in there as well. That just keeps you warm, wicks away moisture, nice and warm and solid in there. So cool thing too, in the footbed they've got ground up coffee beans mixed in, and it actually just kind of keeps you smelling nice in there. So check it out, milosport.com, or here in the shop, 2014 Blauvelt boot from Adidas.